Hello friends, and welcome back to a new video on Safuu. For this one, I actually want to talk about some of the chart analysis that we see with Safuu. So for Safuu as well, it's going to be a bit different than, let's say, Bitcoin or Ethereum, where price is heavily influenced by the buying and selling as well. But as you know as well, if you take a look here, price has been very sustainable for Safuu, and I'm really surprised, okay, because I actually was taking a look at this once it launched a month ago, and I wanted to wait and do more videos in the future and see how price would react, because most of the times when new projects comes out, it rises up very high in the beginning and then just falls back. Okay, a lot of no projects, a lot of Titanium Forex as well does the same thing. So when Safuu came out, I wanted to actually wait and see how the price will react in about a month. Okay, so if we take a look here, it's very nice. Okay, because when I take a look here, we see that in the 1 hour we had a very high resistance level here at about 172. Okay, so these levels here were very crucial, and as we take a look here, the reason why this is very crucial is because we had an order block here at 172. Okay, and this happened after that we saw a big rally down here. Okay, we can see that price also was waking up there several times but never closed there. Okay, so we know there's a heavy resistance level at these. Okay, we also had the last bullish candle before it, indicating the last before the sell-off that happened here. Okay, but overall price is respecting these levels several times. As you can see here, we saw bullish momentum at these levels as well, and overall there's a lot of wicks going on, and that's why I believe this is a heavy support area and resistance for Safuu. Okay, so if we take a look here, we had a bearish candle break down here but never closed and respected these levels. Okay, so overall in the 1 hour for Safuu, we have a really heavy level support at 170. Okay, and we are currently at 181, and as you can see as well, we have a heavy resistance at 196. Okay, so for me, I want to see price come back a little bit again. We missed the entry. Okay, so price was there about on April 11th, in the beginning of April 11th. Okay, so I want to see price test this level here again, since we tested it once, twice, three times, and then the fourth time, in my opinion, could be the charm. Okay, so it's gonna give you a 25% chance that price can come back down here and then retest back to the levels of high here at about 196. Okay, it's like you flicking a coin. Okay, there's 50% and 50%. We see here a price wick down once, twice, three times, and then the fourth time, if it comes down here, we'll have a probability of 25%. Okay, but keep in mind for Safuu, it's a little bit different. Okay, since you're auto compounding, auto rebasing every 15 minutes, so sometimes it doesn't matter what price entry you get into. But for me as well, since I'm talking about price analysis, I would love for price to come back down here at the levels that we created, at the support levels. Okay, because as you can see, like we talked about, price has been respecting these levels heavily for several times, and we can see price had rejections at these wicks here at this level of 170. Okay, so it's very important that we see price come back to these levels and see if we can hold on to it. Okay, so overall, if we come back here at 170, I do truly believe that we could see a rise back to about 189. Okay, and I do believe it'll get there in the future. We don't know, maybe today, tomorrow, in a week. But overall, I would like to see price come back to these levels here again, since we also broke a level of resistance currently at these levels here at about 180. So I like to see that. Okay, so 180, we have broken the recent resistance for Safuu, which is something nice. Okay, because if we don't come back to a retracement back to 170, if we do see price come back to about these levels here at about 180 and create a support there, so if price comes back down here, since we are in the 1 hour, so maybe in the next couple of hours, price can rally back down here and then create a level of support at these areas of 180. We can see another retracement back to the recent order block and recent sell-off that happened for Safuu at about 184. Okay, so we have a lot of targets here for Safuu, and I do believe Safuu, if it continues its bullish momentum, as we can see here, volume is increasing as well for Safuu. If you take a look here, and it's it's higher than the volume for a bearish momentum. So overall, we see these two candles break out of these zones here, and if we do come back to these levels here at about 180, then I do truly believe we could come back to the recent resistance at about 184 before again creating another level of support at these levels here, not breaking it and retesting back to 180 and then coming back down to 180. But I want to see price at 183 being respected there, and a lot of bullish momentum as we can see here, and a lot of volume coming for Safuu in the next coming days. And we could potentially in the next couple of days, maybe weeks, rise back up to 196 and hopefully break that level. Okay, a lot of things are happening for Safuu, good and bad things. Okay, but I do truly believe in Safuu as a long-term project, since I waited a little bit. I saw the potential that it had in the 1 month chart, and also the analyzation from Brian, the CEO, him doing videos on YouTube, and just the transparency of the team as well. So keep in mind, this is also a high risk project. So don't put all your eggs in one basket, okay? Just if you want to get into a project and you're a lower risk taker, I would just recommend wait to the premium levels here at about 170, 173, okay? If price does come back to these levels here, you could get the best entry in my opinion. And since we are currently, as you take a look here, as I'm doing this video, we are currently being in the bullish momentum right now. And if we do hold this level here at about 180 and continue to create a support there, then like I said, we could see potential rise back to 189. Alright guys, just quick update on Safuu and the price analysis for Safuu as well, where I see price being a resistance and support for Safuu, and where I see price heading to in the next coming days. I hope you guys found value and liked the video. It will mean a lot if you can like and subscribe. Alright guys, take care and stay blessed.